Smart factory solutions that increase productivity and factory flexibility and add convenience to industry manufacturing. Smart factory solutions are solutions that enable autonomous operation by quickly transmitting and linking real-time information in production and operation. Smart factory solutions install UWB-based sensors locators for all processes in the assembly of cars to manage the product, equipment, tools and workers' real-time locations in the factory and perform product-based instructions for the work. You can also set assembly lines and processes on the layout and take advantage of digitally set layouts to monitor real-time production and work and see the results. This can give flexibility to manufacturing sites and can help reduce the facility structure and information systems and increase productivity. Determine and direct the optimal work process order, taking into account the assembly process, facility status, etc., according to product specifications by identifying the AGV shortest travel path. Determine the location of the tags attached to the product to determine the progress of the process entry and the real-time movement of the AGV. When the path is identified, the product tags direct the worker to the work monitor wirelessly about the model, specification and work methods of the product and assembly parts, and store tool tightening torque settings and work result products in the tag according to the model and specifications of the product parts. The solution automatically instructs the operator to pick up the part specifications that match the product specifications and directs the operator to work through voice. The worker's voice is also converted into text and stored as information. This solution measures the weight of the parts to identify the line-side inventory in real time, and to request the payment of the parts to the parts warehouse, and to locate the forklift using the RTLS tag attached to the forklift when the parts enter the logistics warehouse. When a part is taken out from the warehouse, the location information of the part is transmitted to the AGV of the manned and unmanned forklift and stores the travel path and part information. Smart Factory Solution opens up a new future. A smart factory solution that enables smart factory operations through human-machine collaboration. Now your factory can be operated easily and conveniently through smart technical use from production point to current status management, facility management, product quality and logistics management.